The bank HSBC is to close 114 branches across the UK from next April as part of modernisation plans. It says there's been a decline in the number of customers going into its premises, while the use of its digital app has almost tripled.
Okay, so what is going on here? Why is a banking giant like HSBC closing its 114 branches across the UK with the explanation that more people bank online? It is highly likely that central bank digital currency is arriving. But how could private banks know that before the general public? That makes no sense, right? Let me tell you, Santa does not exist. It is all fucking fugazi. Of course, they know. Therefore, banks started to position themselves concerning digital banking and CBDC. CBDC is likely just around the corner and will also be subject to restructuring the monetary system as it is known today. The world is heading towards a crisis. The US is in recession, and although Fed denies it, numbers showed that the US had 2 consecutive quarters of declining GDP, which suggests a recession. It is a matter of time before the world or one of the major players in the world's economy, such as the UK, the US, or one of the leading EU countries or similar, will fall into a significant crisis. Black swan event in the financial world. When that happens, there is a significant chance that the system will close the bank, temporarily freeze withdrawals, prevent bank runs and all this good stuff. Take China as an example. Try to withdraw your cash there from the bank. Good fucking luck doing that. So, multiple resources suggest a scenario where a novel solution will be presented a few days after the event and all this chaos of the traditional financial system collapsing. A new currency, CBDC, will be announced. All this non-corrupted or, God forbid, influenced in any way media will tell you how novel and promising this solution is. Regarding CBDC, multiple resources reported that 1-to-1 conversion system against the old currency would be applied. Meaning if you have £100, you will be able to convert it to 100 CBDC. Or for example, if we are talking dollars, $1 will be converted to 1 CBDC. Also, it is believed that smaller accounts will be awarded around 500 CBDC in their digital wallets to kickstart the new system and encourage the masses to adopt the usage of CBDC. However, at the same time, it has been reported that conversion of more significant amounts of current currencies will not be available for conversion immediately. Basically telling you if you were sitting on, let's say, £1 million in cash, and your social status is not established enough for their taste, they telling you to go fuck yourself. So again, early receptions of CBDC, or in other words, entities that created it, will benefit from it, and average Joe will get fucked again. But this time, average Joe will not be so average, some anonymous guy. You see, this time, the system will at every point know precisely who average Joe is, what he is doing and where he is. So if Joe likes to shop in areas where he should not be shopping according to the system, his new novel money and new digital wallet on his latest iPhone will miraculously stop working. Thus, his money will suddenly become worthless. Spoiler alert, yes, I am suggesting restriction of movement and control of your social behavior by the government. Sounds familiar, right? Nevertheless, I explain CBDC at length in the video on my channel titled Bank of England. Check it out.